Hi guys. Hello, Merry Meets everybody. It's MicheleMarieDalene. I got my new wheels, and I wanted to show you the worst of the worst versus the ones that we got. And so I'm going to switch over to the other camera so that we can show you the wheels and the ones that we replaced them, the old wheels, and then we'll show you the new wheels. And we'll talk a little bit about the wheels too from my walker. These are the old wheels, and you can see this is the better of the two. You can see how they are coming apart. This is where Winstead's Roads is basically ripping these wheels open. They're just taking a pounding. Okay, these were ones on the front originally. They are bad, or they are beat. They are busted up. You can see that. That's the better of the two. This here is the other one, and you can see it is down beyond the rim. It is ripping apart. It is totally shredding. Winstead sidewalks are notoriously bad for destroying wheels and walkers and whatever else you need. So honestly, guys, you're lucky enough that I was walking for this walker this long enough. It was getting down here to the innermost axles. Maybe you could have put new tires on this if you really wanted to go through all that effort. Because right now it was starting to sandblast the hub. You can see it on the other side here. The hub was getting destroyed. I mean, it's like, oh my god. So these are the wheels that we took off. I still got two of the old wheels on the walker now because I haven't put the other two new ones on yet. We're going to do that now in a little bit. As I said, this is the complete assembly. I'm going to switch over to the other camera so you can see it now. This is the complete assembly. Okay, it's the wheels and the axles and shaft. So this is the complete thing. This is the way it comes when you buy it from the kit. I was just going to buy the wheels, but I didn't because they didn't have them separately. So it was just easier to buy the kit. Now, this wheel I could have gotten a little more use out of, but this is seriously is shot. Okay, so that's going to be a major improvement. We're getting some new wheels there. So let me show you the new wheels. Okay, you can see already that these are in much better shape and they're much more quieter. I want to put all four on the walker because it would be better that way. So I'm going to show you close up of this wheel so you can see it close up here. You can see that this wheel is physically much better shape than the other one. Okay, you can see it spins fine. Obviously they're new. They haven't been worn out yet. They haven't been ripped open, gashed open by Winstead sidewalks. I wanted to keep two pairs of new wheels so I can swap them out, kind of like spare tires. But since they're real easy to put on anyway, I might just go ahead and put all four on and have a brand new set of walker. I did put the two on the walker, and it runs a lot smoother, as you can see. It doesn't feel as bouncy, jointy, jumpy. So let me show you how you change the wheels. It's actually not that hard to do. What I do is, I'm trying to see if you can see this camera here. Alright, maybe you can see, I don't know. Okay, here's the wheel. There's the thing underneath this push pin. Push it in and slides off. Okay, put the new wheel on. Now we have these on the inside, so those are position 4. So let's have it position 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna show you this way. Nope, it has to be on the inside. Okay, so this is the wrong one. Look into the reality of trying to get these things together, because they do matter. The way that The way it matters is because when I put these walkers together, I have 2 wheels on the inside. Okay. Let's see, do one more next. Okay, that's in. Same thing with this one. Slide this off. Let's put this one on. Because the reason why I have it set the way we do with the wheels, in case you didn't know, is that 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's because when I fold the walker up, then this becomes like a mobile cane. I'll show you what I mean. So, okay, now I can also see that these 2 wheels are too high and these are too low. So this here, I have to set for 1, 2, 3, 4. This is set for 1, 2. Okay, this is 2. So I gotta bring these down or those up. Pick one. I'm gonna bring these down. Okay. Bring on this side here. The reason that is because originally they were designed for skids in the back. Well, we don't use the skids because the skids, if you think the wheels of the walker are trashed, we don't want to see what this thing will be like with the skids. So now basically at this point, I can use this thing like a cane when it's closed. So I can actually glide over when it's closed like that. And of course, when you open it up, okay, that's too high. That's too high. Alright, so we gotta release these guys up. So what I'm gonna do is same thing. Okay. Why do you have this thing set? Okay. Alright, so now perfect. Alright. That's so fixed to go. Set to go. So now the walker is done. Yay! New wheels and everything. Now, which of these wheels would I save for spares? This wheel right here doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's not meticulously great shape, but it's not. It still has some teeth left on it. It still has some bite. So I probably would just put this wheel back in to save it. That one's usable. Same with this one. These two, nope. These two are totally beyond shot. If you had car tires like that, you would get fined by the local highway safety and transportation department. They are downright dangerous. Those wheels are really, seriously, are a wreck. Okay? Now, if I wanted to spend a little bit extra money, I could upgrade the swivels. Now, swivel wheels would be great because it would be able to swivel my walker easier getting around tight turns and things like that. I didn't even think about that, but actually that would have been a great idea for me to have swivel wheels. So maybe that's what I might do is consider upgrading the swivel wheels. And then, of course, I know the Angry Bull is going to be wondering why I didn't go get dinner yet. Well, I didn't go get dinner or lunch yet because I was waiting for this to come so I can go ahead and make sure I can get the wheels I need for this walker. Because we needed these wheels, because these wheels are totally shot, man. Okay, those ones aren't so loud. Put these in the box, and I know which wheels they are. And, okay. So these wheels are worth it. These wheels are pretty good. Quantity one set. Okay. Of course, they're made in China. What isn't? All right. So that takes care of the wheels. Now, finally, we have the wheels come in. We're all set. The walker is basically smoother. I don't feel like I'm riding on rims anymore. I can feel it already. It feels much better. I do admit I wish I had the swivel wheels. I can get the swivel wheels. I might get the swivel wheels. That would be nice, but yeah. Oh, still, we'll see what happens. So the wheels came, they were installed, and the walker is all set. So I'm okay. I'm happy. My walker is now got new wheels after it needed them because they were been beat up. Now, so I thought I would show you the walker wheels. Walker wheels are replaced, and now you know why we chose the new wheels we did. But for everybody, oh yes, by the way, everybody wonders to know is when we're gonna have our next live stream at night. It's gonna be on Saturday. Okay, hopefully Saturday show will go fine. I'm looking at my hair right now in the video. My hair looks pretty good. I'm gonna be getting my hair retouched this week, so Walker Wheels is definitely a good start. Hopefully YouTube is going to pay me this month something on AdSense again, and that we'll be able to continue to replace things as they need to be replaced here, because things do wear out eventually, and we're going to get more shopping done. We got to get some more clothes too. Everybody likes the dress. He thinks the dress is cute. So, all right, guys. Oh yes, I ordered the ears too. Yay! Ears are coming. I ordered my ears from Dimitri, so I'm really happy about that. The ears are gonna coming. Yay! It's gonna take a little longer because they're gonna come from Ukraine because they're custom made. So even if they had them in the American warehouse, it isn't gonna matter because they have to order custom from the Ukraine because they're extra thick ears. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. And also, I may actually have enough money this month to buy a for now anyway, if I want to do this. So I can wait until next month, whenever it happens. Get the NVIDIA GT640 video card with 2 gigabytes of RAM for now to get this, so it can keep playing World of Warcraft in case they decide to stop supporting my Mac Mojave. I can just go to Mojave or go to Catalina with their video card, and that's what I'm going to do. But that's another project for another day. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching this. See you real soon. Stay out of trouble. See you guys tomorrow, later in the afternoon, because I got to go shopping with Krista in the morning. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.